AssetBundles are a type of compressed resource storage package provided by Unity. They contain game assets such as images, models, textures, audio or video files, and code files. Due to their advantages including flexible storage, support for hotfixes, compact package sizes, and ease of management, AssetBundles have become the mainstream method for compressing game resources in the industry. AssetBundle files containing images, models, videos, and other resources are critical assets for games. If cracked by hackers or competitors to extract their contents, this could lead to severe issues such as plagiarism by rival products and damage to intellectual property rights. Furthermore, cracking AssetBundle resources can severely impact game operations. For instance, in content-driven games, AssetBundles may store unreleased event assets. If these are prematurely unlocked and spoiled, it diminishes player surprise and event immersion, negatively affecting the game's operational rhythm. In competitive shooter games, hacking or tampering with game assets can unexpectedly create cheat-like effects. This severely undermines gameplay fairness, leading to player attrition and financial losses for developers. How to encrypt game assets while ensuring minimal decryption overhead and reducing performance burden has become a major challenge for many games. To address this, the JikGuard R&D team invested significant time conducting black box analysis of the Unity engine. By deciphering the loading mechanism and file structure of AssetBundles, they meticulously designed an encryption solution.
Place the unencrypted resource files into Asset Studio. We can see that the unencrypted resource files have been parsed to reveal code, images, and other resources. Place the JikGuard encrypted resource files into Asset Studio. We can see that the JikGuard encrypted resource files cannot be parsed by Asset Studio.